The issue of food waste. Food waste is a major factor that causes climatic change. When you dispose food, you contaminate the environment, and it also has a way of being a burden to the planet, and it affects the climate. Wasting of food should also be managed, so we can mitigate climate change, we can prevent climate change, we can also adjust and adapt to it and manage it properly.
It's responsible for about 6% of total human-caused greenhouse gas emissions. Current agricultural system produces more than enough food for everyone, but the problem of hunger still persists because over 40% of food meant for human consumption are being wasted. At every stage of food supply chain, from the farm that cultivates the crop to the grocery stores that showcase the food, and in our kitchen, food wastage deepens. Once the food is thrown away, it becomes a menace when it reaches the landfills. It decomposes, emitting methane, a greenhouse gas far more potent than carbon dioxide. This methane contributes significantly to global warming. When you waste food that could have been eaten, you are also wasting the natural and human resources that were used to grow, process, and transport the food. Reducing food waste is essential in a world where millions of people go hungry. Here are some ways to reduce food wastage. Meal planning. Plan meals ahead of time to buy only what you need. This will curtail over-purchasing perishable items that will go to waste. Proper storage and preservation. Store perishable foods correctly to prolong freshness. Utilize your freezer to preserve items that are about to expire for later use. Create a composting system for food scraps and non-edible food items. Composting not only reduces food waste, but provides rich soil for gardening. This practice diverts organic food waste from landfills, reducing methane emissions and benefiting the environment. Support local food producers. By buying local produce, you support family farmers and small businesses in your community. Implementing these practices not only reduces food waste, but it also saves money, conserves resources, and minimizes environmental hazards. Collective action is necessary.